both the NQ and YM. Makes it qualify for a naked Rockstar if it pulls away. Bought the NQ. That was +5. Right, I bought the GC. And +5. Simple trade. It is hard drop. Goes from black to gray to a light gray. Oversold, speed tick, ricochet, pullback alert, major support, opened within 5 ticks of the major support. Bam. Look at that. Almost like we knew what was going to happen. I'm watching the YM. If it opens up in this area, it's going to have that. So I shorted the YM. All right, so look, I mean, this is exactly what I showed you guys on Saturday. This also, both of these. Now my eyes were on this one. This is a naked Rockstar, but doesn't qualify for me because it's not overbought. Didn't have a pullback alert. Needed one or both of those. Here we had both of those, overbought and pullback alert. Open of this bar was your trade. And we got the pullback. This is our sweet spot. This is exactly what I showed you in the webinar. We don't show you a bunch of stuff that doesn't actually happen in the trade room. This is exactly, we got momentum, overbought, speed tick, which is telling us that there's a high probability this bar has been manipulated. Look at this bar relative to the previous bars. What's happening here? You guys that were at the event on Thursday and then on Saturday, what is happening here? Yeah, it violated the line, which changed it from a potential straight up Rockstar trade to a naked Rockstar trade. Now, that being said, if we had had a line right here, Steve, this right here, I would have shorted this as a Rockstar trade setup. So there's Rockstar and there's naked Rockstar. So we had another naked Rockstar here. Exactly. So we have accumulation happening here. And then we get this bar, we get a up thrust bar and then a climax bar. Well, actually, it's probably not a climax, just another up thrust bar. But look at the size of these bars relative to these bars. So it's so plain and obvious, and you guys have been watching this for a long time without actually knowing. I'm speaking to the visitors. Have been watching this for a long time without actually realizing there's an opportunity here, and it's right here. This is all we need. This is it. This is our sweet spot. We just want to put winners in the bank and then let it go. And that's exactly what happened.